All right, it's 8:39 a.m., Wednesday, September 18th, 2024. Take a quick look at the account. Total account value is $323. I have that same amount here to trade with today. So I will pause the video and I'll be back when the market opens. Have an order in OMEX, 200 shares at $1.30. We are in the trade. I am looking for a very short, quick scalp on this. I am not going to stay long. I have a take profit at $1.37. Going to move that to $1.36 and we are out. Let's go take a look at my account. Okay, we ended up making $12 on that trade, plus $11.96. I'll just call that 12, and a plus 3.69% gain. I'll call that 3.7% gain on my account. I will never turn down a gain like that on a single trade in the market. However, it took me till 10:30 Eastern Time to make this trade. I got in at 10:32 and 42 seconds and was out at 10:33 and 28 seconds. So less than a minute to scalp a quick $12. I'm happy with that trade. It was just a very slow morning in the morning. Pretty sad looking top 5 list on the top 5 gainers. But stayed patient, got a little piece of it. And let's see what tomorrow brings.